Somewhere in Australia right now, a manufacturer is 6 months into an AI project. The dashboards are live, the pilot ran on time, leadership is pleased, and in another 12 months, it will be abandoned. 87% of AI manufacturing pilots never scale. That's not speculation, that's the pattern. Across discrete manufacturing, mining, food production, and logistics, the majority of AI investments fail to move beyond proof of concept. Not because the technology is broken, because the implementation is. Here's how it usually starts. A business case gets approved, a platform gets selected, deployment begins, and then the alerts start firing into a dashboard nobody checks. The maintenance lead still trusts his ERP. The floor supervisor wasn't consulted. The AI system built in isolation has no connection to the operational stack that the factory actually runs on. Accenture's industrial benchmarks show that AI deployments built with operator input are 3 times more likely to reach full scale. 3 times. The problem was never the algorithm, it was the approach. So what do the manufacturers who actually scale do differently? 3 things. First, they solve a number, not a concept. Not improve efficiency, unplanned downtime on line 4 costs $180,000 a month. Fix that, prove value in 90 days, then expand. Second, they connect AI to infrastructure already trusted on the floor, SAP, MES feeds, and SCADA outputs. When the alert surfaces inside the system your team opens every morning, it gets action. When it lives in a separate tab, nobody bookmarked it doesn't. Third, they put an operator champion in the room before a single line of code is written. Someone who shaped the workflow, not someone who handed a training deck 3 weeks after go live. These aren't sophisticated moves, they're disciplined ones. This is exactly where Appinventiv works. We build AI-powered predictive maintenance systems that plug directly into your existing MES and ERP stack. Custom IoT sensor architectures that turn raw flow data into decisions your team can act on, not after a 6-month integration. From day one, we handle the full build, data audit, system integration, operator training, ongoing optimization, not a vendor relationship. An implementation partnership, because a system your team doesn't trust is just expensive shelf furniture. The manufacturers who've cracked this aren't just cutting downtime by 40%. They're quoting jobs at margins competitors can't match. They're winning enterprise contracts where AI readiness is now a procurement requirement, not a bonus. The gap between businesses that scaled and those still running pilots widens every quarter. So ask yourself 3 questions before your next AI conversation. What is your single most expensive recurring failure in dollars per month? Does your solution connect to what your team already uses daily? And who from your floor helped build it? The 87% treat AI as an IT project, and the remaining 13% treat it as a production asset. The window to be in that 13% is open, but it won't stay that way. If you're ready to be in that 13%, we are ready to build it with you. Hit the link in the description or reach out to Appinventiv today.